A patient brought me today. The reason she brought me this was because she'd been wearing this for about the last year, and when she came in to get new dentures, I was shocked and horrified at the state of her gums. I have been seeing her for many years, and I have never seen her gums this terrible and non-existent. I'm going to show you. This is the wax setup for her new upper. She has absolutely no bone structure left. And what has rapidly caused deterioration of her bone structure? This. She has been wearing this in her denture for almost a year because she was putting off getting new dentures, and she's been using this. This is a do-it-yourself Reline kit that she bought on the big box online store, and she's been putting it in her denture, and she has thrown her bite off, opened her bite up too much, and she has jammed her denture, trying to eat against that upper ridge, and now she has no bone left. So, doing the best that I can. I finally talked her into getting a partial on the lower so that can stabilize her a bit, but it is a bad state of affairs for this patient, and she is horrified that she was using this product and did not know that it was doing damage to her. So she brought me this so that I could make this video and warn everybody else. Please don't use this product. I know that it is financially difficult for people to get relines and to get new dentures. I can't help that. The only thing that I can help is to educate you on what happens when you use these do-it-yourself kits that are bad for you. Some may ask, why are things like this on the market? There's a lot of products on the market for dentures to tighten them up and reline them. But I want to point out to you that all of these products, whether they're this one or the thermoplastic products, adhesives, any one of these denture products will always say this is a temporary thing that should only be used until you can get to your dental provider. And that is why they get away with peddling this trash, is because they have this little disclaimer on the back. It says on this one, this disc is not permanent. You can remold in warm water from time to time so your denture is always tight, but it says it is not permanent. But people use these as permanent solutions, and it does damage. All of these products should be used only temporarily in a pinch until you can get your reline or your new denture. Long-term use is not suggested by these manufacturers. That is where it all goes bad.